Hello everyone, this is Raj here. So welcome to the world of Salesforce. So today is the day 3 class where we are going to discuss about this concept of CRM process, and we are going to see the login, how to log in into the Salesforce, how to create an account in the Salesforce, right? All these things we are going to discuss today. So up to previous class, we have discussed introduction to the cloud computing and introduction to the Salesforce, right? So today we are going to see about this concept of CRM process. So what exactly the CRM process is? What are the benefits that we have with Salesforce CRM, right? And why so many customers are adopting the Salesforce CRM in order to automate their business process instead of other CRM applications. Like yesterday we have in the previous class we have discussed, right? Like PeopleSoft, Siebel, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So many CRMs are there. Apart from those, why customers are choosing a Salesforce CRM? Why people are showing interest towards the Salesforce CRM application, right? So as we have discussed the various cloud services offered by the Salesforce to the customers. In the last previous sessions, we have discussed all these things. So today we are going to see about this CRM process, or we can say the CRM terminology, or we can say that vocabulary, right? So that we are using as part of this Salesforce CRM application. So we are going to see the complete concept of the CRM process, and we are going to see apart from the CRM process. Today we are going to discuss lead conversion process as well, right? Lead conversion process. So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, right? In order to automate all our existing customers information and as well as new customers information at one place. So already we have discussed in the previous class all these things. So we are going to maintain the 360-degree view of the customers at one place, right? Complete 360-degree view of the customers. We are going to automate all sales process, service process, marketing process for an organization using this CRM application, right? At one place. So by using this CRM application, we can store all marketing related, we can store all the sales related, we can store service related data, the whole information we can able to place and we can accommodate them, right? That means we can able to maintain at one place with the help of this CRM application, right? So as part of this CRM process, so we are having certain terminology. So in order to use in the CRM process, so we are having certain terminology. So CRM process thing, but this is also known as like CRM life cycle. Also, we can say that it's a complete life cycle. So what is the life cycle of this process? That CRM process, which I am saying here, so it contains the complete life cycle, the customer relationship management life cycle. So for this, we are going to use some terminologies. Like for example, if you want to talk to a person, then we have to talk to the person in the language which he can understand. Suppose I want to talk to one person. The person will only know Hindi, English and Telugu language. You are speaking with him in Tamil. Then they can't understand, right? So we need to talk to him in the language. It means he can understand. The similar way, whenever if you want to use some domain specific application, so we have to use the terminology. We have to use the terminology here, right? So I will take one example for you to clearly understand, right? So assume that I am having an organization. Let us say I'm having a Dell organization, right? I'm having a Dell organization, right? So they are into what? Manufacturing. So what they are going to manufacture? So some hardware devices. When coming to this Dell, so Dell is one manufacturing organization. So manufacturing means they are going to manufacture various hardware devices like laptops, desktops, mobiles, tabs, printers, scanners, webcams, keyboards, and mouse. Like this some various accessories. Right now, tell me, people are manufacturing each and every a component, right? So when you go to the laptop, let me consider one product. Let us say it is a laptop. It is having so many internal components, right? Laptop is having internally so many internal components. Like it is having a screen, it is having keyboard, internal hard disk, some processor, RAM, motherboard, right? This like this, there are so many internal parts are available, right? And these internal parts are manufactured from different companies, right? So all these are captured at one warehouse, one place, and they are going to assemble there, right? So at assembling, they are going to concentrate on the model of the desktop looks like, how the model of the screen. So they are going to concentrate, the Dell people, they are going to concentrate on these things, and they are going to take the internal parts from different companies, right? So they are going to spend some amount of money on this in order to take all these internal parts, and they are going to assemble it one place, and the final product is ready. Now after testing, the final product is by doing some enhancements, so and by designing based on the customer requirement, the final product is going to ready, right? So like for example, let us say example, if you want to buy any mouse, we are going to prefer like Logitech mouse are there. So Logitech is a brand. Purely it is concentrating on this keyboards, mouses. Like if you want to, for example, if you want to buy any processor, so they are going with the Intel processor is there, right? Like this, they are going to capture all this internal parts, collect all these internal parts, and they are going to assemble at one place. Let us say it is a Dell factory or Dell warehouse. Right now, the final product is ready. My final, let us say, laptop is Dell laptop is ready. Okay. Now, after completion of this Dell laptop, it has to be tested. And once the testing is done, the final product needs to be released in the market with different colors, right? With different models. What are the new models of the desktop they are going to manufacture? What are the new models of mobiles they are going to manufacture? New models of projectors they are going to manufacture. How the product look like? How the colors are available? How many colors are available? How the design looks like? So what features are available? What configurations are available? Right? What are the benefits they are offering? What services they are offering? What is the price of that product? The whole information of this product. Right? So now they are going to picturize all these details. Right? So now the final product is ready with all these details. Now I want to market, right? So now the new team coming into the picture here. So the data using the marketing process. So inside Dell, they are having some marketing team, right? So in the marketing team, there are various employees are working in the marketing, like marketing heads, marketing managers, marketing executives. So they are having so many people working in that marketing department. Right now, what is Dell doing? So in order, they are going to give the complete information about the product, and they need to do the marketing about the product to the common people. Right? They are going to use this marketing department, and it is called as a marketing process. So what is the main job of this marketing people? So how to promote their products, like promoting needs. So giving the particular information about our products to the common people, giving the information about our products, right? So now this particular marketing people, right now they are going into the they are going into the different areas, and they are going to market about this product, this newly created Dell laptops. They are going to promote our products, Dell products, right? When coming to this marketing channels, right, there are various marketing channels today that we are having. So that we have as part of this marketing department, we are having various marketing channels, right? So from these marketing channels, we are going to conduct some campaigns. We are going to have some stalls. We can go with the TV advertisements. We can go with the theater advertisements. We can go with the pamphlets. We can go with the posters. We can go with the banners, right? We can go with the hoardings, trade shows, web conferences, digital marketing, email marketing is there, right? And telemarketing is there. Social marketing is there, right? So based on this campaigning, they are doing some marketing based on this, right? Now they are going to collect some peers, like they are going to collect some leads which are available in the market, right? By using these various marketing channels, either it may be stalls, campaigning, like TV advertisement, theater advertisement, pamphlets, or like all these details. Sorry, all these marketing channels, they are going to collect the different leads, right? So what is the lead here? A new terminology coming into the picture here. So first what they are doing is, so once the product is ready, they are doing the campaign, right? So it is one of the marketing process. So they are going to select a crowded area. So I'm telling a normal example here, right? So they are going to select a crowded area where information is going to a bulk of people at one shot. So they are going to choose a correct place and they are going to uh, give the information to a bulk of people. Let us say anything like social marketing, right? So any channel, any marketing channel, like TV advertisement, theater advertisements, by sending the pamphlets. Okay. So now whatever they are conducting, so they have, let us say now they have conducted a small stall. They are conducting a campaign using a small stall, like beside a road. So now they are going to announce about this Dell product. So how many colors are available? What are the design specifications? What are the various products that are available in the new release of this Dell? Right? They have conducted a stall in a crowded area. So for this crowded area, let us say around 100 people had attended this crowded area. They are going to listen about this product. In these 100 people, there may be some family member, there may be some software employees, there may be some students, housewives, right? So number of people gathered and they are going to listen about this product. So out of these 100 members, only 50 members are interested in order to take this particular Dell laptop. So they are convinced about this campaign, right? They are going to they are convinced about this product. So maybe students are convinced, okay, this is the useful product to my project work. So software employees, so yes, this is useful to my project works, right? So like this, they are going to some 50 members are interested and this particular marketing team are collecting these 50 members information. And this information are known as leads. So first the campaigning is going to conducted and next, so by means of this campaigning, 100 members are attended, right? So out of this 100 members, only 50 members had shown interest. These 50 members not purchased the product. They had shown some interest to buy the product. They had shown some interest to buy the product. These are not the customers to the Dell, right? So they have shown interest to buy the Dell laptop by listening to the campaign. Now, this marketing team, up to here, the marketing team coming into the picture, right? So marketing team duty is completed. So marketing team conducted some campaign and they have collected some leads and that this leads is transferred to the sales team. These leads are transferred to the sales team. Now sales team coming into the picture, like sales manager, sales executives. So now this team coming into the picture. What this sales team is going to do? Tell me. Now, what this sales team is going to do? Like they are going to do some telemarketing, like email marketing. Sorry. Like uh, so for example, out of these 100 members, 50 members have shown interest in your product, in this Dell product, right? For these 50 members, this 50 members information is transferred to the sales team. Now this sales team is going to connect with these 50 members, and they are going to convince these 50 members by sending emails, messages, by making phone calls, right? So they are going to convert this particular lead to purchase Dell laptop. So now these 50 members, right? Now these 50 members information are with this sales team. Now sales team connected with these 50 members. Out of these 50 members, only 10 members has purchased my product. Right? Out of these 50 members, only 10 members purchased my product. Okay. And these 10 members are nothing but accounts. In the Salesforce terminology, we are we are we are saying it as account. Account is nothing but a customer. Account is nothing but a customer to this particular product. Right? Account is nothing but a customer to this particular product. Lead is not the customer. Lead is the just showing interest in your particular product. That's it. Right? Now this sales team converted this particular lead to the account. Account means the final customer to this particular product. And this customer information, right? Customer information. Someone should be there to connect, right? For example, that this Dell laptop, right? These Dell laptops now are purchased by some X company, right? These Dell laptops are purchased by some X company. This is the X company. X is the customer of this Dell, right? Some X is the customer of this Dell. And from this X company, someone should be there representing this X company, right? So someone should be there representing this X company. So in order to make the different dealing with the Dell company, right? So for this, we need to store some contact information about this company. We need to store some contact information to make dealings with this Dell company. And that particular details are stored in contact. Right? So in this contact, no leads information, no campaigning information will be there. Only the customer's information will be there. Right? Only the customer's information will be there in this contact. Right? Only the customer's information will be there. So account means the customer. Right? So account means the customer, the final customer who is going to purchased our product. And who is representing the person, the contact details will be stored in this contact. Okay. So here this sales team is completed. So sales duty, what is the sales team duty? So converting this particular leads to the customer. So now sales team is completed. Now here, next team coming into the picture, service. Service team coming into the picture. So for every company, if you observe, for every company, service plays a major role, not the sales. Service plays a major role for every company. Am I right? So service plays a major role in every company. Sales is not that much important. Service is important. Selling a product is not a big deal. But building customers trust is very important. Building the credibility is very important. So in this case, service is very, very important here. So now the customer is going to buy your product only once, but he is going to take our services continuously. So he is going to take our services continuously. Right? Whenever customer facing an issue, then I have to stay with the customer. I have to resolve the problem. Am I right? So I have to stay with the customer. If I am giving a very good services to the customer, then only the customer will stay with me for a long time. Right? Then only I am whenever I am giving a quality services to the customer, then the customer will buy some more products in the future. Then only I can generate some more revenue also. Right? They can give some good feedback also. Right? So for every company, services is very, very important. Right? So now the once the contact is ready, so whatever the opportunity for this particular account, so if they are going to create any opportunities, so these opportunity details will be stored here. Opportunities. Right? What is the probability of the chances? So how much discount they are going to give? So all these opportunities will be stored here. So for this customer about this Dell product, so what are the different opportunities are there? So all these opportunities will be stored here. Right? So now after purchasing the product, let us say I'm having some issue with the product. So how I need to contact this Dell team? Right? How I need to contact? So we need to raise a case so that those details will be stored here. Case, right? We need to raise a case. So based on this case period, so they are going to resolve our issues, right? So based on the service level agreements between you and the Dell, it may be some business to business B2B. It may be some business to customer B2C. Right? So they are going to make a service level agreements, SLA, service level agreements between these two. And based on these service level agreements, they are going to provide some solution, right? And these details are stored in this solution, right? So, and this is known as the complete life cycle. And this is known as the complete life cycle of this lead conversion process, right? So how the leads are going to convert as an account. How the leads are going to convert as an account. Right? Lead conversion process. Right? This is about the lead conversion process. Right? So all these details we can see once we are logged into the Salesforce. Right? So after creating an account in the Salesforce, so we can able to log into the Salesforce and we can see all these details in the Salesforce site. And in the Salesforce terminology, these are known as objects. These are known as objects. In general, like in the SAP or Oracle terminology, these are known as tables. So we are storing some information in tables, in a tables, right? Standard tables, custom tables, right? So in this Salesforce, these tables are known as objects. So we are storing information of this campaign related things in the campaign object. So lead related things in a lead object. So account related account object, contract related contact object, opportunity related opportunity object, case related case object, solution related solution object, right? So, and these can be stored in a, if you want to store in a sales application, yes, you can store in a sales application. If you want to store in a service application, service application. If you want to store in a marketing application, yes, marketing application, right? Marketing application. So all these things I can show once we get logged into this Salesforce. So let me show you how we are going to create an account in the Salesforce. And after creating an account, so once after logging into the Salesforce, I can show you this different type of applications. What are the different type of applications are there and how these objects looks like. So for this, go to your Google Chrome. So for this, you need to have a Gmail account, right? I have created one Gmail account. So this is the Gmail account which I'm having, sftrainingbatch@gmail.com. This is the Gmail account which I'm having. I have created one, right? Now, so go to this developer.salesforce.com/sign up. So this is the web URL you have to go. So in order to create an account in the Salesforce. So developer.salesforce.com/sign up, right? So once you go to this website, the user interface will appear like this. So where you have to provide your first name, where you have to provide your last name. So the email address just now I have created, right? Email address, role as some developer, company as some Salesforce, country as India. Okay. So please provide all this relevant information and postal code. So username. So keep in mind that username is always unique. Username is always unique. If you are trying to create already existing username, if you are trying to create existing username, so system will not accept. Right, throughout your Salesforce organization, throughout, right, not in your not in your trial versions, throughout Salesforce organizations, the usernames are unique. Right? So like whenever you are creating a Gmail account, there is a one username, right? It will ask, try to create a username. So when you are giving any username throughout your Gmail, so the username is unique. You cannot give twice. You cannot duplicate the usernames. So the same way, the Salesforce also, so the username is unique. You cannot duplicate it. Right? So click on agree and click on sign me up. Right? Once you click on this sign me up, it will show the screen like this. So you are almost there. Please check your email to verify your account. Right? This is the screen which you are going to see after click on sign me up. So almost there. Please check your email to verify your account. So let me go to this Gmail. So you will receive an email from the developer@salesforce.com. See here. So you will receive an email from developer@salesforce.com. Right? So stating that welcome to the Salesforce, verify your account. So click on this verify your account. So thanks for signing up with the Salesforce. Right? So it will give you the login yours to save this URL for the future communication. So throughout our training course, so this is the URL which we are going to practice all this admin development sessions and LWC sessions, integration, all this course related stuff we are doing under this URL only. So save this URL for future purpose and save this username as well. Then what about the password? So save this URL. Okay, save this URL, save this username. Now, here, check here. In order to create your own password, click below to verify your account. Right, click below to verify your account. So when you click on this verify your account, so it will redirect. It will redirect to the password creation page. Just now I have created and the password is successfully updated for me. Okay, so just click on this verify account. It will be redirected to the password creation page. So where you can create your own password there. Right? So once the password is created successfully, so now the page looks like this. So this is the username. Like this, you need to log in. Right? This is the URL. Right? This is the developer edition. You see, you can see here. This is the developer edition, developer org. Right? And username I'm pasting here. The password which I have given. Click on login. Right. Now the screen look like this. So before that, so once this first time your screen look like this. Let me show you here. So after successfully creation of your passwords, your screen look like this. Lightning interface screen will be shown to you. This is the lightning. This is the lightning experience, right? You will face the lightning experience once the first time when you logged in. So we will see the both interfaces. There is a one more interface which is known as classic interface, Salesforce classic. There is a one more interface we are having. This is the old version of the Salesforce. Switch to Salesforce classic, some old version. So look and feel is some looking like an old version. And this is the new version, advanced version, lightning experience, where look and feel is good, right? Comparing to this classic version, it is little bit faster, right? So this is the lightning experience which we can see once you are able to log into the Salesforce. So now switch to Salesforce Classic. I will show you the classic version as well. So this is the Salesforce Classic, right? It looks like this. It looks like this. This is the Salesforce Classic version. So these are the application menu. This is the application menu where you can see all these details. So sales application, service application, marketing application. This is the application launcher. Right, when you click on this sales application, where you can see all these things here, right? Accounts, contacts, opportunities, right? All these related things you can see here. Okay, and this is known as tab bar. Okay, this is known as tab bar. I will show you all these things. So we will discuss in detail in this next class onwards. All right, what I will discuss about the sales application, service application, marketing application, right? And how to create the objects. So what are the standard objects and what are the custom objects? So those things, how we are going to create in the classic version and as well as the lightning experience also, I will show it to you. Right? That we are going to discuss in the coming classes. Right? If you don't want to miss all these sessions in a continuous manner, so stay tuned to this channel. Okay? So in the next class, we are going to discuss about all these things, how to create an objects in the classic version and as well as in the lightning experience as well. Right? Thank you for today. Have a nice day.